Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you 5 free video editing application for Windows. Whether you are a beginner just starting out or you are an experienced content creator, this free video have you covered with the right range of features that is going to help you to bring your video into the next level. So without much ado, let us get started, but please remember to subscribe to this channel. The first one on the list is VSCDC Video Editor. This video editor is a very powerful software that can actually allow you to edit any complex video. It gives out the opportunity for you to cut your image, your video into different resolution. It allows you to use filtration and easy image correction. This video have a very powerful chroma key, the video editor, and as well it stabilizes shaky footages and record a real-time voiceover. VSCDC is actually free for beginners and even for intermediates who are into video editing. If you want to download this software, you can check out the link in the description below and you can get them in there. Number 2 on the list is eFilm Express. Well, eFilm Express has its own free version, even though there are some features that are not completely free. But trust me, I've been using this software for quite some time and I enjoy this software because of its VFX, because of its compositing, because of its great features. You really need to give it a try, and it have a 3D camera setting, have a 3D objective integrations, and with eFilm you will see the different way in which you can use a chroma, and there's some built-in tutorial which allows you to learn more. Amazing template and different SFX are in this eFilm Express, and a very powerful color grading preset, and it also have a keen features which can allow you to work on motion graphics. So you can really try this software. And the third on the list is OpenShot. Well, this software is very stunning, absolutely free. And one thing about this is that it has some extension and it also works with Blender. It is a very fantastic, simple, and a cross-platform software. That is, it can work on Linux, Mac, and as well Windows. It has a very powerful keyframing and animation. Can edit your audio, can edit your video effect. It has a lot of unlimited tracks, 3D animations, slow motions, and time effect, time editor, and they always update it regularly, and the current version is 3.0. Give it a try and you see how this free and open source software work. Number 4 on the list is Shotcut. Shotcut is a very powerful video editing software that you will really enjoy its interface. For me, I so much love Shotcut interface because it have a wide format support, device and transparent options, and as its name be, Shotcut, you can easily find some different things that is different from other video editing software. It allows you to design simple video format, and Shortcut is also a free open source software. That is, it is also a Mac, Windows, and as well Linux. If you are loving this video, please like this video so that YouTube will recommend this video to other people. And the last one of the list is DaVinci Resolve. This software is very powerful for color grading. In fact, I never knew that this software is will be free. That is, it's a version. Of course, some of it are not really free, but with the free one you can do and undo. It's actually made by the Black Magic Design, and it's very good for editing, and I love it for the color grading. A lot of people have been using this software. In fact, it's a very massive software that you really need to give a try to. So these are the 5 best video editing software that are good for Windows, and you can give them a try. If you love this video, give it a thumb up, subscribe to this channel, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.